This screencast demonstrates some software I made for language learning. The idea is that images are associated with audio, so you don't, when you learn the words, you're not going via a different language, it's just learning the language you're learning. So I've called it Flavour, which means it's because it's from the words flashcard, FL, and then audio and visual, AV. So anyway, so when you launch it, you get this little dialogue which asks you to open a project or create a new existing project. You can give it any name you like, or there's lists of projects that are there, and there's only one on the list, so I'll open that one. And when you open the project, you can see that you have all these pictures, and each picture is associated with an audio file. So I double click a picture, you can hear the language for that goes with that picture. And on the left you have the categories, so you can filter them by category. Now if you want to add more items, it's simply you click the add button and you choose the audio, the image, and you give it a label and a category. So I'm going to add an item for walk. Now I'll just get the audio straight out of here, this one I think.
That's right. Walk.
Okay, so I'll just export that selection, and now we need to have it as a WAV file, so I'll call that walk. We already have that there, okay. And then an image. So a simple way to do the image is I just grab a screenshot of this is a PDF with a whole bunch of pictures from the Thompson method. So I just grab this. You can use images from anywhere, and then I'll just put them into my audio. If I can find where I saved them. Here we go. Walk. Open that, and the image. It looks like it there. And a category. If I've already got the category existing, then it will auto-complete that for me. And I can add it. I can add more if I use that button. Open up another add dialog with this already filled in, assuming you're going to add more of the same category. But I won't do that now. And then hopefully you see that there. Okay.
That's right.
And there's this in. Okay. The delete button's for deleting them. Now what these bits here is for practicing. This is where you're learning the language. You can learn comprehension or production. So comprehension means you're understanding words, and production means you're saying words. So you just want to select the whichever pictures you want to learn the words for. So choose comprehension and just click go. Now it says from that selection it'll give me some of those pictures and say the word for one of them. I can press play to hear it again.
Here.
And then I have to choose which that is, and I know that's this one.
Here.
To give me a nice happy sound. It's
Here.
asking for the same one again. If I get it wrong, unhappy sound. Okay. This one is
Here.
okay. So then you can learn, and as you progress, you can see the stage. The next stage comes where more pictures are added.
Here.
So the
Go.
top progress bar is
Go.
how far you're through
Here.
the stage,
Yeah.
and the second is how far through the whole collection you
Here.
are,
Here.
and then it'll give you a nice happy smiley face when you've finished. But I can close that now. And the other thing is production. So when you've learnt how to recognize them, you want to learn how to say them. So I'll go on that. It'll just give me one of them, and I have to think, what's that? And I say Kia, and I'll check my answer,
Here.
and I'm right. So I click yes, and I progressed. And this one is Keka,
Kika.
Kia.
Here.
And I can't remember that.
Here.
Gia. Okay, so I got that wrong, so I haven't progressed on it. And that is it.